Hello, my name is Billy Bob Bubba, and I went to a school to learn how to make art for video games. Yeah, they're not hiring, so I'm doing this. I am going to show you how to make a prop or an object from scratch and render it in Unreal Engine. I'm going to show you the high-res, low-res workflow. I am going to show you the best practices for modeling, best practices for texturing. I'm going to show you the industry standard tools: Maya, Substance Painter, Unreal Engine. Yeah. Here's well, I can't show you stuff that I did when I was in school because I don't want the school finding out about this and sending me a letter. Because I'm going to be honest, I'm not fucking happy with how my education went. So I'm just giving this information out for free so you don't have to go and waste your fucking money. So anyway, here is some in progress stuff, including the knife that I just finished for this tutorial. So I'm going to cut it up, go from modeling, go to UVing, then to texturing, and then finally going into Unreal Engine and making it look nice and pretty. So you can display it, put it on your art station. So this is just the trailer video, obviously, since it's way shorter. But I prioritized a focus on characters. So my knowledge is mostly in characters. I don't know a ton on the environment art side. I don't know a ton on the prop side. I don't know a ton on large prop side, like cars or spaceships or something large like that. So really my knowledge is more on understanding character art. And I wanted to go into something like Naughty Dog. I wanted to go work for Rockstar, so it's characters and realism. Those are my priorities, those are my focus. And again, I can't show any of my schoolwork, but I'm pretty damn good. I really hope that the very small amount of work that I am showing outside of school is enough to convince you to watch these tutorials, is enough to tell that I know what I'm talking about. I can't show you my degree, but I have a degree. I swear to God, hand to God, I swear I have a degree. Please believe me. But anyway, we're going to have a lot of fun. Because if we're not having fun, we're not doing it right.